Benny Masters Lecture the 5th of the 16 Matters of Great Compassion, Uplifting the Submerged. Esteemed seekers of truth, today we gather to explore the 5th matter of the 16 Matters of Great Compassion, Uplifting the Submerged. This is a call to awaken, guiding us to liberation from the abyss of delusion and to save others with compassion. Let us enter this truth with a clear mind. The perils of arrogance, a repelling magnetic force. First, let us remember the dangers of arrogance. The intensity of arrogance and lowliness varies, and so does the strength of the magnetic field it creates. When the self inflates, it generates an outward, repelling force, pushing others away, leaving only a lonely, isolated self. However, by adjusting our mind to inward restraint, we cultivate an attractive force, becoming the core upon which beings rely. This requires us to constantly apply right view, safeguarding our mind with mindfulness. The traits of arrogance are unmistakable: contention, aggression, domination, control, and oppression. These are all forms of conquest without respect, devoid of compassion, and universally despised. It can even be seen as a mental affliction, delusional madness. Fortunately, through timely self-reflection, we can instantly awaken to this sickness and dissolve its harm. The power of awareness, starving the fuel of delusion. When we become aware of the virus of a chaotic mind stirring, the key is not to follow it. By refusing to fuel these delusions, we deny them power, and they soon dissipate. Like a flame without fuel, delusions cannot persist. This is the wisdom of awareness, liberating us from chaos and preserving the purity of our mind. The Scripture and the submerged beings. The Scripture states, 5th, seeing all beings submerged in the sea of the six senses, eyes grasping at forms, ears grasping at sounds, nose grasping at scents, tongue grasping at tastes, body grasping at touch, mind grasping at phenomena. This is called submersion. Thus, the Bodhisattva cultivates compassion for these beings and, due to this compassion, proclaims the true Dharma to uplift them from such submersion. Beings, driven by the viruses of greed, anger, ignorance, arrogance, and doubt, chase after the six dusts. Immersed in this pursuit, they descend into madness, a state so pitiable it is unbearable to witness. Therefore, the Bodhisattva gives rise to an unyielding vow of great compassion to relieve their immense suffering. They teach the causes of suffering, offer the wondrous medicine of the Dharma, and rescue beings from their affliction. A call to action, uplifting with compassion. In this moment, let us make a vow to awaken ourselves and uplift the submerged. With great compassion, may we guide all beings to liberation from suffering, returning to purity. Thank you all, and may we walk this path with wisdom and compassion.